Church gate.
Enter.
Driver, please stop me here. Let me come down here.
Okay, you know they go to church again.
I don't know. My mind is telling me to just drop here. Please stop me. Okay. Bye-bye. Why that young man come down for there?
Now there he saying one stop.
Okay.
Officer, well done.
Ah, well done.
My friend, come down.
Officer, we're doing the
Will you
Come
step
down.
down?
Something they drag me now. I don't understand.
What's wrong with you?
Driver, look me oh. I don't put anything for inside this car. You dey see as I take enter.
Pocket not deep, pocket not.
Officer, see Igbo. I been don't legalize Igbo for Nigeria.
Where you for here?
I been at Jamaica, all those boys for come. Come, who get them?
That's how you do me. Who shall you get her? You see, go for me.
Driver, who get them?
I don't know.
I beg, why not people wahala?
You see this one what I do?
My friend, will you
if we reach station, we will do na shege.
Get into this car.
Come on, come down.
Very stupid. Nonsense.
Church gate, church gate. Okay, wait.
Okay, you know they go again.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible.
Hello?
Sister, I see.
Pastor Solomon, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. Please, I'm at the church premises and I can't hear any sound here. The gate is also locked.
No, Pastor Solomon, so sorry. We did not fellowship in church today. We went to a different branch. Yes, at that.
Hello? Hello?
The number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.